Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying the AirTag battery and that your iPhone's Find My is active. This ensures reliable signals. Once done, register the AirTag to your Apple ID and give it a clear label so you can identify it quickly. Then place the AirTag in a slim protective pouch or internal luggage pocket to prevent rattling and damage. Make sure to position it near the bag's core so the signal isn't overly obstructed by metal frames or electronics. Now optimize for consistent tracking. Move the AirTag away from metal zippers and rigid frames because metal dampens Bluetooth. Soft-lined pockets near clothing work well. Enable precision finding and background location updates on your iPhone so you receive accurate proximity cues and continuous location snaps. Once placed, test detection range in a realistic environment. Crowded terminals reduce range, so you know expected BLE distance. If you lose immediate detection, use last seen timestamps to infer transit paths and when to escalate. Finish by securing the AirTag so it won't shift or fall into hidden seams during handling. Tape or a sewn pocket works. Make sure Notify when found is enabled and review Find My push notifications before travel so you see updates. If the tag isn't detected, first power cycle your phone and walk the bag through different airport zones to trigger nearby Apple devices. If problems persist, swap the battery and re-register the AirTag. This clears registration glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.